Mi nombre es Daily Garzón.
A few days ago, we visited Clarifall. We stayed 4 days with some friends and family. I really liked the view that this place had. I really liked it. I enjoy this place, and it is very relaxing since it has spectacular tourist sites and various activities of entertainment offered by this place. The climate in CLARAVAL it is very cold, but the view of the place is very pleasant, both in the place and in the surroundings. There are many activities to do. The main recommendations in this center are, before exposing yourself to the cold, cover yourself well, cover your hands and ears. Eat even better in winter. Always cover your mouth and nose. Protect yourself from solar radiation. People should do stage 3. Bring comfortable clothes. Bring enough sunscreen. Be sure of the place of accommodation. Ensure access routes to the place to visit. Have important keys and documents in safe places. Plan the day of return that the traffic is less heavy. Investigate important sites such as hospitals, police, and others in case of a case. Be respectful with the people around us. What people should not do: do not take much of the sun's rays. Do not exceed the consumption of alcoholic beverages. Forget the identification document. Bring more of the necessary things if you have pets that do not have the necessary care.